Hey, seventh grade. So we just learned about what it was like to live in Rome, okay, Roman daily lives. And so what we're going to do for our project is in class we watched a couple really corny clips of some soap operas that come on TV during the daytime, usually while you're at school. And these shows are known for being very dramatic, very corny, just very over the top, very extra. But I thought it would be fun if we create our own soap operas, pretending that we are people living in Rome, okay, living in the city of Rome. So you can do this as an individual and write me a script for a Roman soap opera, which is basically like a Roman play or TV episode. Or you can do it collaboratively. You can write a script together. If you don't necessarily feel like writing, but you want to record something, you can feel free to record something. Obviously, if we're in person, you can perform it. Social distancing and all that in place. If you want to do it digitally, you can always record like a Zoom kind of call, like some TV shows are doing, and just kind of have it scripted, pretending like you are in Rome. Now, folks, if you have a paper copy of it, it looks something like this. Okay, description right here. It's got the rubric right here, space to write if you want. You can also find that on Canvas. Okay, but essentially, what we're doing is we're pretending that you were hired as a new TV show coming out called The Days of Our Ancient Roman Lives. It's a TV soap opera that explores the everyday lives of Roman citizens. So you've been hired as writers and actors for the show, and what you must do is write a scene for an upcoming episode. The scene can be about anything, but it has to include 10 important pieces of historical evidence about the daily life of Romans. Okay, so that Nearpod we just went through, the Nearpod that's on Canvas, check that out. You need to come up with 10 facts from that to include in your script. You can include information about housing for the rich and the poor, fathers, boys, girls, families, okay, rich women, poor women, that kind of stuff. What they do for fun, public games, gladiators, all that kind of good stuff you can include in there. You can find all the information in your notes or the Nearpod. And like I said, you can do this individually and just write the scene out, write a script out. You can perform this live in front of the class if we're in school with a partner, or you can kind of write a script collaboratively or record one collaboratively. I'll take it honestly anyway, as long as you follow the direction sheet that's on Canvas or the one that you got personally, and you pay attention to that rubric. Cool? If you get stuck, you have questions about how to set this up, what it's supposed to look like, or what you need to have, send me an email, pull me aside, talk to me. Especially if you need examples of what a soap opera is supposed to sound like or feel like, I can send you clips. Okay? All right, thanks, folks. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck, everybody.